Good morning everyone. Today we'll be showing you how to adjust your media sound settings. So this could be if you want to change the bass, could be if you wanted to affect the balance of the speakers, it could be for treble, different sort of sound settings like that, and boosting volume, things like that. This is mainly for your Mercedes 2014 sort of onwards. It's quite a simple thing to do. So what you want to do is going to go to media, and from here, if you press the little left hand, if you press this little wheel here, push that to the left, and you'll get a little control there. So different sort of settings available in here. More settings will become available when the ignition is on, but you don't need the ignition on to adjust those settings. So you can adjust all those settings in the sound area. So you've got equalizer, balance, fader, automatic volume adjustment. So that's for when sort of you're on the motorway and things are coming up, different sort of sound settings there. You've got more of them here in this area. So obviously traffic announcements, you can turn that on and off by holding down the volume button, just in case you didn't know that. And what else we got here? We also got some further options, like if you're finding the music's not going loud enough, you can put volume amplification on, and this will increase the overall max volume that you've got available on your system. Anyway guys, that's how you adjust those settings. You can get to that menu on a lot of the different screens by just pushing it over to the left. A lot of people are not sure how to access that, and that's how you do that. You just push the buttons to that little toggle to the left, and you get those options come up. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that video, and I'll see you on the next one.